If you ever presented this to me in terms of a presentation, you're fired. All right, period. This is ridiculous. This is so out of, well, it's just, all right, I don't care what you say or do. This is just wrong, and I don't even know if I want to discuss it. How to count misaligned cells. Really? There's no reason for this in the first place, but you can use the indirect to do this. And I'm going to allow you to do this on your own. This is just a waste of my time to discuss. If you want to preview this, here we go. All right. And then incorporating the indirect with COUNTIF and sum, and you can do this, but really, this is ridiculous. Okay. Why did I present it? Just to point out to you that you never ever, I don't care what the circumstances is, you need to align this so it's readable. This is not even presentable. And whatever your case is, you're gonna walk out embarrassed, because people are gonna go, one, they're not gonna listen to you, and two, they're gonna ask, well, why the hell is this thing so screwed up? And you lost your argument right off the bat. So I'm done with this. This one is a throwaway unless you want to review it yourself. Brad Williams, XL Primed, I'm out.